Assalamualaikum students, welcome to another video. In this video we are going to discuss the question number 3 of exercise 1B book D2. The question is saying if y is directly proportional to x to the power n, write down the value of n when y meter square, this is the unit, is the area of a square of length x meters. Part number 2 is saying y centimeter cube, this is the unit again, is the volume of cube of length x centimeter. So we are going to solve the part number 1 and then we are going to solve the part number 2. As we know, what do we have to do here? We have to write down the expression y is directly proportional to x to the power n. Now the confusing part or the tricky part here is that we don't have a value of the initial two variables. If we convert this expression into an equation, this will be x to the power, kx to the power n. But we don't have the value of these two variables. What do we have to do now? We have to find the value for this n. Now look at the part number 1. The part number 1 is saying y meter square is the area of a square of length x meter. Suppose this is the square here having a length of x meters, x meters, x meters, x meters and x meters. If we calculate the area, it will be x square meter square and y as we have given in the question or the part. So y has the value of x square here. So the equation will look like, if we substitute this value of y here, the equation will look like x square is equals to kx to the power n. Now we have to calculate or we have to find out the value for this n. So we are considering or we are assuming this k is equals to 1. Therefore k is equals to 1. Now x square will be equal to x to the power n. Now x is equals to x and n is equals to 2. So here we have calculated the value for the n, which is n is equals to 2. Now the part number 2. Part number 2 is saying y centimeter cube is the volume of cube of length x centimeter. Again we have this equation, y is equals to kx to the power n. We don't have the values for the initial two values, but we are given with a cube of length x centimeter. So here we are assuming a cube having a length x centimeter, breadth x centimeter and the height x centimeter. So the volume will be v is equals to L cube, so it will be x multiplied by the x multiplied by the x, and volume we are given with y. So y is equals to x cube centimeter cube. Now substitute this value in this equation. Substitute the value of y here. So y will be x cube will be equal to kx to the power n. Now again consider this k as 1 for the generalized case. So x cube will be equal to x to the power n. So x is equals to x and n is equals to 3. So n is equals to 3 here. Hope you guys understand. Thank you so much.